Traders, Anthony here. Just going to continue our gold day trading strategy video here. This is a trade I sent to our VIP group today. Sell gold at this high, and then we've closed in profit. So heading over to TradingView, this is the reason why I took this trade. It's our signal. Now we have a bearish trend, although it's starting to weaken somewhat at the moment. So we've got mixed bars down the bottom here. We've got 2 out of 4 red, these higher time frame, multi-time frame. So I took this trade based on the fact that we had this bearish signal back here as well, this bar. It's breaking up, so the probability factor is weaker. It's not as strong a signal. In any case, the other thing we have is the dot with these lines are bearish divergence signals on multiple indicators that we've brought into our one single indicator here, the trend bars. So based on this signal, we can take this short on the pullback, lower high here, which we did. Stop above the highs, and I mean, you can see the outcome in this case, potentially 8-to-1 risk reward here. Now I did start off with a wide stop, and given that I'm really looking for a scalp / day trade, depending, I will come in and regroup with this trade setup. Reason why is, if we go back out, look at this on the 4-hour. Let me just clear the decks here. See how this range through here is struggling to find any headway, but it's trading sideways. So I'm reluctant to commit to trading this short at this point. Okay, I'm more than happy to enter at a high point and take profit down here when the opportunity shows itself. Now, reason why? Well, look at this support level. We've got a daily here, multiple touches. It pushed under slightly. If you open this up, we'll see these 2 dots here, this yellow line going back further. Okay, so this is a previous daily institutional level. So I'm happy to close my position here at this point and wait for another opportunity. See, it's not as clean a trade as, for example, if we'd entered up here and then you get a slight retrace here, it doesn't hold, and then lower high. That's the kind of trade you'll hang on to and add to your position and trail it all the way down. But when you see price action looking like this, be a little bit careful. So that was our gold trade today. I'd like to invite you to jump on board with us. Head over to our website. I mean, you can join the free Forex signals. So we send out a signal a day directly to your email. But seriously, jump on board. Shop me a coffee and cake every month and join us on this journey. And then there's other options in here as well. You want to try it just for a month? Shop me lunch. Okay, guys. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.